Yes, ma'am, she identified him last night. I was with her. Well, it's too soon to tell. It's likely he jumped or fell. Yes, ma'am, I'll keep you fully in the loop. Yes, I understand.
What time is it?
7:30. I'm just getting a head start on my paperwork backlog. What is this situation, please?
I just needed more than 45 minutes without a screaming baby in my ear. I stayed up with her till 2 last night to help Denise out. Then I came here. So quiet. It's beautiful.
Are you okay after last night? I'm supposed to ask if you want to speak to someone, a counsellor or...
Oh, pretty full on first day back, but should be alright. Thanks, mate.
Oh, bloody hell, Nikesh. Take a shower, you stink. Did they have... Yes, yeah, wee dancer.
You don't have to do this for a suicide, Cal.
I know. I just want to make sure we didn't miss anything yesterday evening. So, Dreamer's Cliffs, 200 feet, and Jamie Phelps's body was discovered at the foot of them by Fatima Jamali at 5 p.m. yesterday. She was out on a walk. Seemed very dead. The body was wet. The tide had recently gone out. His phone and laptop were discovered close to the body.
So, yesterday afternoon, after he sent the text to his wife, he jumped from the edge of the cliff with his phone and laptop in his arms, Pip still in the car.
Yes, which is the odd bit, isn't it? Pip still being there, being in the car.
Yeah, that's the bit that I don't... What is this?
Chewing gum from inside his mouth.
He was chewing gum.
Apparently. We'll have to wait for forensics, but seems that way.
Then there's this. Dad and Woody. You know, I spoke to Miss Phelps about this again last night after the ID, and look, she said that Pip's not really into Toy Story. He likes Frozen, but yesterday afternoon after they got home, he was all Woody this, Woody that.
I don't want to base too much on the ramblings of a 4-year-old. Kids make stuff up, imagine things, whatever.
No, I wouldn't.
Unreliable.
I wouldn't say that, you know.
They said I should come up. I've just been in the office. What's that? Who's...
Mrs. Arnott, please step this way. I'm so sorry that you saw that. The front desk should never have let you up. If you just head through here, we'll have a seat. I'm afraid we have found a body, and Lucy Phelps has identified it as that of her husband. It looks as though he may have taken his own life.
But I don't... It doesn't... But he paid it.
He paid what, Mrs.
The
Arnott?
ransomware. All the files have been returned. That's why I came in.
Jamie Phelps paid the ransomware.